Hey everybody, my name's Pocketpac and today we are playing Amnesia, The Dark Descent. I've already played a little bit before I decided to start recording, so I'm a little bit into it, but not much. Let's get going. Continue. Yes. And for a lot of you, you'll recognize where I'm at pretty quickly. Yeah, I'm right here. I'm in this area. I totally forgot what I'm looking for, what I'm doing. Mementos. Some sort of organic tissue block. Yeah, okay. So I'm trying to get the acid. Okay, what's this? That's that. Hello? That's that button. I forgot what button that was. Okay, so what am I looking for? What do I have in my inventory first off? That's that. I think I just need to go back now. I think I need to go back and make it. If I remember where to go. Up the stairs. Gonna go out this way. Get the hell out of the creepy area. Got some water. Oh, back up we go. Why? What's going on? No. Stay away. Down. No. Ow! Asshole. I think I gotta go this way. Maybe. Don't do it. Good. There it is. Oh! God damn it. I hate that. I hate that with a blinding passion. Why? Why did it go whoosh? We need some light. How many of those do I have? Did it say I have 16 of those? I have 5. Where the hell did I see 16? Hello? Nobody hurt me, please. Just the mailman. Gotta make a potion and have it delivered.
Closer, somehow.
Hello? Whoa. Redness.
There should be more coop racks.
I don't care. I don't care about reading that.
And one part aquaforce.
No, who's down there? Whoever's down there, I don't want to be there. What's this say? Nope, don't care. What? No, what? No. Hello? Who's out there? Why are you out? Why did that fall? What's going on? Why? Why did it just randomly collapse? Well, let's finish this. There. Boop. Twisty Twist. I didn't turn the burner on. How do I turn? Is this how I turn the burner on? There. Okay. Then we'll do. that. Wow, turn that. Wow, turn that. Everything's getting angry. Why is everything getting angry? Now I have a thing full of acid. I know exactly where this needs to go. Although I really don't want to go there. I really don't. But I have to. What's this? No! Stop it! Stop it with the random shit and jumpy scares and all that fun stuff. Oh my god. I don't want to. Maybe I can do this. Hurry up. Why am I hearing a baby cry? Why the hell is it? Who brings their child to a place like this? Okay, I can't go that way. Here are some boxes. Maybe I can do something with these. There we go. I should have been a gymnast. Let's see what hell is out here. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. You know, this castle has a real acne problem. Ow! Wow, that used a lot of oil. And down into the pit of hell we go. Down into the bowels of the unknown. I'm closing this behind me. Because I don't want the unknown to get me in the butt. And we got pretty music. Now where the hell are we going? To the refinery. You guys are lucky. Now where the hell am I? Why do they keep doing that?
It sure is dark in here.
Yeah, it is, and then you brighten it up.
There's a good reason for
Damn.
it. But you can light the lamp now if you wish.
What's the reason for the darkness, that is?
Stay close. Be careful not to
That's
stray.
straight.
What's the reason? Why is it so dark?
Pay attention, Dandel. It's important that you keep going straight and make sure not to stray.
Why wouldn't he answer the question? What's he hiding down here? Hello? Is there anybody here? I have a delivery. Oh. They don't want the delivery. I'm sorry. Hello? I can't pick up the rock. Whoa, fuck, no. Oh? What was that? Alright. I have a feeling it went that way, so I'm going this way. No! Someone's killing a dog. Why would you do that to a dog? Someone's killing a kid and a dog? That's wrong. I need some light in here so I stop flipping out. Hello? Okay. Loud in the num-nums. No! Stop it! Okay.
22nd of June, 1839.
Let's watch the movie.
It's been more than a month since my last entry. After the event inside the underground chamber in Algeria, Professor Herbert insisted I return to England. He said he didn't want to risk forfeiting the entire expedition lest I took a turn for the worse. An excessive decision, in retrospect. But I'm glad it turned out that way. I found my journal this morning in the haphazard collection of things brought home from Africa. Next to it lay the broken stone orb wrapped in cloth. I tried to assemble it, but couldn't. The pieces wouldn't fit together, as if they weren't from the same object. Could I have imagined it all? Was there ever a complete orb?
Yeah, there was. There's always orbs. Orbs are the root of all evil. What the hell is that? Something's moving over there. Oh, it's one of those pimple things. I'm not gonna lie. I have seen this particular bit in a video. I do know that there is something behind these boxes. I wish I didn't know that, but I do know that. So I'm not going to pretend like I don't. Because that would make you guys feel like you guys are idiots, because you guys can tell when someone's lying and when someone's acting. I'm not acting. I don't want to act. I'm not an actor. I suck at acting. I like throwing boxes, though. Throwing boxes is always fun. Yeah! Yay! $10. $10, $10, $10. There's a lot of stuff that I don't remember or I haven't seen, but that one thing I did. Hello? I just did a big circle. Okay. Alright. Let's go through the hole of death and mystery, because I don't remember what's on the other side. I just remember that box and that there's something there. No! Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. No, no, stop, 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 stop. That's right, you better listen to me. So what the hell we got here? We got some kind of pulley thing. And we got this thingy. Okay, so, was that attached? I'll do this and, what's clogging? Nothing there. Oh, we got a stick of some kind. There we go. Alright. So how's that? And we cranking, we cranking, and we cranking, and we cranking. That's it? That's all the further you'll open? I think not, good sir. I need to open you all the way, because I do not trust you. Now I'm taking you with me. I shall call you King George Esquire the Third Fourth. Don't run away! You're coming with me, George. King George. Go get him! I'm going up here. Why is everything screaming? Stop screaming! Come on, George. Want to hug? Oh, fuck! George, do something about that. Stop doing that! Okay. Onward. Well, I guess this is where I leave it, George. Maybe you'll follow me through. Who knows? Goodbye, George. Bye, George. I miss you, George. Bye-bye, George. And now we got more screaming. The screaming has gone from scary to annoying. Because every time I turn around, it's rah, 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 rah. The fuck? What's going on? Well, why? No. What? Oh, fuck water. I know what happens to people in water. The water monsters get them. That I do know. Yep, there it is. Where are you? Fuck, fuckity, fuck, fuck, fuckity, fuck, fuck. Why are you right there? I don't know what to do. Hello? Why? Why are you chasing me? Running, running, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, jump! Get the fuck away from me. What's in here? There's a lever of some kind. The fuck are you doing? What do you do? Ah, shit, that clicky clanky sound normally means it's timed. So I'm guessing I have to haul ass and get away from this guy. See how long I got. Where are you? Holy crap, how long is... Yep, see, there it is. Okay. Okay, that was a decent amount of time. Let's loosen up the limbs. Because we got some screaming to do. Jump scares I can handle. Shit chasing me. Okay, so... Okay. Can I get it from here? No. So fuck, 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 fuck. 3, 2, 1. Ah, shit. That failed me. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Running! Running, 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 go, 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 go. Fuck, shit, shit, shit. No, 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 no. I don't like when shit chases me. I don't know where to go. Fuck, go, 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 go. Shit, now there's 2 of them. I don't see a box to get on. Oh, fuck, fuck it. Hit the box, hit the box, hit the box, hit the box, get on the box, get on the box, get on the box. Ow! Fuck! Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Oh, now there's a second one. Oh, okay, I'm loud and a numb. Now that I'm here, how do I open this? Oh no, I gotta turn something? Don't push that shit away from me, asshole. How do I distract it? How do I distract it? How do I distract it? Oh, there's meat. Hi, meat. I wonder if this will distract it. Da! No, why not? Why did it not distract it? Maybe I didn't wait long enough? Okay, now I gotta go. Ah! Faster, 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 faster. Shit's behind me. Fuck, 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 fuck. Oh god, it's a pull! It's a pull! It's a fucking pull! Oh, it's a pull! Go! Fuck! Ah! Oh, shit. Asshole. Oh. Get the what? It's locked with a simple lock. What's that? What do you mean it's locked? I don't have a key. I don't have a key. I don't have a key. Damn it. Okay. Is there a key around here somewhere? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I'm dead. I know. I figured that much out. Ah, shit. You saw nothing. Oh, now I'm back to dealing with this dude. This could be a problem. I need a key. I don't have a key. And that might have been the direction I came from. I can't go back. I'm hoping the key's in here, otherwise I guess I'm done. Oh, there's some oil. Always take oil. That's very disturbing. I guess I probably should have used it to my advantage though. Throw you over there. I hope I'm not screwed. Well, this will be one of the shortest plays I've ever done. Okay, there's no more rooms. I can't go anywhere. I have to go through there. But fine, let's throw you way the hell over there. I like how I was pushing the box, telling me exactly where it's at. And there's my wife. Hold on, second phone call. Hey, honey. Okay, we're back. That was my wife calling. I gotta hold up and redo this again. That could not have happened at a worse time. So let's go this way, let's go this way, let's go this way. Let's arc that bitch. Look, get your ass over there. Why did you not eat it? This is the last piece I got. Go. Turn! Turn! Oh my god, why did it take so long to turn? 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 Crouch, 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 run, 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 pull. Go in here. Close this door. Now I think there's another dude. Oh, no, this is the one that killed me. Will that break down a door? I sure hope not. But this is the one that killed me, so it's not here anymore. Lies! Yeah! Yeah, it's gonna try to break the door. Okay, let's go here. There we go. Hollow needle that bitch. Okay. Let's go. We're gonna end it here. Oh, that was definitely more shitty than I remember the earlier levels being. But I mean, we are getting deeper into it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I would very much appreciate it if you hit the like button. And then if you're so kind, hit the subscribe button. Hit them like and then subscribe. Maybe subscribe. Whichever. Just hit any button. Just hit all the buttons. Hit everything. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Until then, goodbye!